Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I'm going to tell you guys what is Coldwell Banker. As you can see, we're on the official website, and as you can see, there is buy, all homes for sale, how to buy a home, find an agent, and then commercial properties for sale. And then under sell, you have how to sell a home, seller's assurance program, what's your home worth. Like if you have a home, you can find out its worth, compare locations with move meter and the real estate agents near you. And you can also find like agent or office, and then all agents and all offices that are available. So if you didn't get the idea yet, it is a real estate media, which means if you want to buy home or if you want to sell home, and if you want to connect with other agents or officers, if you want to get an accurate estimate of your home, or buy one in your desired areas. As you can see, the states are also divided, then you can use this website. And this is it for the video. Hope that helps, and I'll see you guys in the next one.